having a withholding tax charged on all sales. Prior to that, we did have a limit of $750,000 per sale, where 12.5% was the withholding tax taken out. That didn't affect a lot of the investors who are here, like yourself. Now the new regime is going to be 15% from $0, basically. That basically means that from any sale that you have, the government will take a lump sum. The buyer is obligated to send that money to the Australian Tax Office, the ATO as we know it. It will be held there against the property or against your tax file number if you have a tax file number. If not, it will be just languished there until such time as you can get a tax file number or do a tax return. Assuming you, for example, you have a $600,000 property, it would mean you are now going to have $90,000 remitted from the buyer by their conveyancer to the Australian Tax Office. They are, in order for you to get anything back on that, which you may have a gain on your property, you may not, but in order for you to get that back, you will need to do an Australian tax return for that year. If you haven't been doing it for some period, the ATO will then turn around and obligate you to go back to when you originally purchased the property. We think that this is something that a lot of people are not aware of, and having dealt with overseas people like yourself for the last 40 odd years who have bought in Australia and we've done tax returns for, we know there are people out there that assume because they're not making any money they shouldn't be lodging any tax returns. That is not the case. And in order to build up losses over the years and use them for this capital gains tax event, you need to do tax returns from the day you buy the property. If you need any assistance with us, with any of these matters, just give us a call or send us an email.
Hi, I'm Dominic Murphy from TJD Accounting Services. We've been in the business of doing non-resident tax returns and overseas investors tax returns and financial advice here in Australia to handle the tax system for the last 40 years.